Sarve Jana Sukhina Bhavantu. Hi friends, this is your Dr. BP alias Dr. BAPUJI PULLEPU. See this problem actually one time sheet equation. Solve the equation. He is given equation very good actually. Boundary conditions are given. Normally problems they are by reading, we are writing the equation, we are doing the boundary condition. This is very good problem. Everything in our hand. Just you can attack the problem. Solve the equation dou u by dou t is equal to alpha square into dou square u by dou x square subject to the boundary conditions. U of 0 comma t is equal to 0 at x is equal to 0 0 there is no temperature, x is equal to L there is no temperature. I told you both side you can keep in ice balls. Then u of x comma 0 initially temperature they will give some equation. Wait, u of x comma 0 is equal to x. Very good problem. Then we know that the solution is what? U of e of alpha square p square t a cos px plus b sin px. This you can take equation 1. Then conditions, boundary condition. How many conditions I told? 1 initial condition, 2 boundary. Totally 3 conditions you have to impose. There are 4 conditions in one dimensional equation. Then better you can choose always. There is a top and I button is there. Just you can click the I button. You will get the whole playlist of the application of PDE. The everything you will get. Now conditions are what? U of at x is equal to 0 there is no temperature. U of L comma t is equal to 0. Initially it's have a temperature some x. Now one by one condition apply. Shall I above? See, if you want problem, just you can pause and you can read the problem. Just I am rubbing. Now, applying the first condition, what I will get? U of 0 comma t is equal to 0 implies 0. So in this equation 1, put x is equal to 0. This fellow vanish. This will stands. So e power minus alpha square p square t into a. This is equal to 0. So in this cannot be 0. This cannot be. So alpha square p square t is equal to infinity. This is infinity means what? You cannot stand near the plates. Very high temperature you cannot stand. So it's highly impossible. It's not possible. So only possible is what? A is equal to 0. A is equal to 0 implies first equation become what? My first equation become, now forget about first equation. Once if you substitute A is equal to 0, e power minus alpha square p square t b sin px. Now this is our solution. We are applying the first boundary. Second boundary condition, if you apply u of L comma t is equal to 0, u of L comma t is equal to 0 implies in x place put L. So 0 is equal to u of L comma t e power minus alpha square p square t b sin pl is equal to 0. Same story. Here also this cannot be 0 as explained previously. B cannot be 0. A also 0. B also 0. There is no rod. There is no our question. There is no marks. So it cannot be 0. So only chance is what? Sin PL 0. Sin PL 0 means what? So what values is going to be n pi. So PL is equal to n pi. Now P is equal to what? N pi by L. We need very big board for this sum. Actually that only we can do. Otherwise we have to rub and do. P is equal to n pi by L. If I substitute P is equal to n pi by L, so my second equation become, shall I rub off here? My second equation become u of x comma t is equal to e power minus alpha square p is equal to n pi by L. N square pi square L square t b sin n pi x by L. So we have n is the infinite number, so you can take b, I can take as a bn. So I will use sigma notation. Bn e power minus alpha square n square pi square L square t sin n pi x by L, and this you can take some 3a. This is the general solution. This is a our last stage I reached here. But last condition what is telling, u of x comma 0 is equal to x. Last condition if I apply u of x comma 0 is equal to 0 implies, so what I will get, 0 is equal to this fellow 0, put t is equal to 0, this is become 1, then sigma, sorry, u of x comma 0 is equal to x bn sin n pi x. This bn I will call as a small bn. Say, so x is equal to sigma bn sin n pi x. In this stage, what you are understanding, any function f of x is equal to, if I able to write sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by L means what? My f of x is I am expressing in terms of half range sine series. Half range sine series. So, now what is my bn? 2 by L 0 to L f of x sin n pi xl dx. Now who is my f of x? X sin n pi x by L dx. Then 2 by L open, x you can keep, sin integration minus cos n pi x by L divided by n pi by L minus, what you integrated again you can integrate it, minus sin n pi x by L by n pi by L whole square. Then what you not integrate, that you can differentiate 1. Now limits is what? 0 to L. If I apply L means what? Sin n pi is waste, sin 0, so totally waste, this you can write 0. With pencil you can strike. Now here lower limit vanish, upper limit only stands. So if you apply upper limit, what you will get? 2 by L, x is L, this is again L by n pi minus cos n pi. Here LL cancel. So this is equal to what? This and this cancel. So this will stand minus 2L by n pi cos n pi. Who is cos n pi? Who is cos n pi? Minus 1 power n. Cos even pi is plus 1, cos odd pi is minus 1. So minus 2L by n pi minus 1 power n, that is equal to Bn. If you want, you can write 2L by n pi minus 1 power n plus 1. Actually my capital Bn is equal to small bn. Go back and substitute it. Now this is the solution. E of x is equal to 2L by n pi minus 1 power n plus 1 by e power minus alpha square n square pi square L square t into sin n pi x by L. See, sometimes they may give actually 100x, which you can multiply by 100, 50x, 70x, some kx, you will get k, 2k you will get. So x is common, they may give some temperature is 100x, kx. So just this answer you can multiply by k, the same story. Getting or not? Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly share and subscribe, be part of our service. Bye.